All right, come. Let's go into the lesson proper. So today, right, today the objective, right, today what are we going to do? Number one, we'll do a little bit of revision. Revision on what? Revision on last week I did something called here and there. So today we are going to do something called here and there also. It's very important to understand here and there. So let's try to lock it in today as best as possible. All right, don't worry, we'll constantly do here and there, now and then. Right, here and there, now and then. Not bad, huh? All right, so we'll be constantly doing here and there. Then after that, we'll do some revision on like rounding off numbers, talking about some hundreds place, tens place. Then we'll go into something called the algebraic expression. All right, so the algebraic expression last lesson, there's a portion of it I didn't manage to do it. So today we will do that. All right, today we'll do those algebraic expression. After that, then we'll go into something called Kahoot. So today we'll have some Kahoot. After Kahoot, then we'll do the algebraic expression part 2 again. All right, so today's program will be mainly on algebraic expression and more on solving. Solving means what? Here and there. All right, let's take a look at today's portion. All right. All right, so this question, right, appears in your worksheet 2. This question appears in your worksheet 2. All right. So I can see that some of you actually got the right answer. Actually, most of you got the right answer. That's good. That's good. Which means that you got the idea on how to do this already. All right, but I just want to show you my way. All right, I just want to show you my way of doing. Come. All right, I call this out a question here and there. All right, here and there. All right, why do I call it here and there? All right, one good reason is because down here, there's no T. But if I bring it across there, the T comes out. You can look at it this way. Down here, there is the T. But if I bring it across to the other side, the T disappears. All right, so what happens is you are supposed to move the numbers left or right. All right, you are supposed to gather all the similar things together at one side. All right, what do I mean? Check this out. All right, this question is given as 1x plus 3 is equal to 15 minus 5x. Hello, Celestia. Hello, Celestine. Okay, so the very first rule, the very first rule of here and there is what? The very first rule is you have to decide who is heavier. All right, who is heavier? So at this moment, right, this plus is actually for the 3. They are friends. All right, every number, they have a sign following it. All right, the sign is in front. This minus, right, this minus actually is the 5x friend. All right, they are related. All right, so everything, there is a sign following it. Hey, sure. How about the 1x? All right, how about the 1x? There's no friend. There is. There is. So down here, if there is something missing, right, there is actually a plus. So if there's something missing, it's always a plus. So the plus is for the 1x. And how about the 15? The 15 also, there's nothing in front. When there is nothing in front, it's always a plus. All right, this one you have to remember for me. Okay, come. Ask yourself, who is heavier? Who is heavier? Look at this, look at this, We have a negative number. Negative means a bit like underweight lah. This one. Minus means like underweight. Right, underweight. Versus a plus. Yeah. This one is like a overweight lah. Overweight. All right. So who is heavier? All right. Who is heavier? The 1x is heavier. All right. The 1x is heavier. Okay. So if the 1x is heavier, right, I need you to copy down as it is. So it's 1x. So you're supposed to gather all the x to one side and to push the numbers to the other side. So down here is minus 5x, right? Minus 5x, I bring it across to the other side. All right, minus 5x, I bring it across to the other side. Minus go across the equal sign. This is the equal sign. The equal sign is always in the center. The equal sign is always in the center. The equal sign is always in the center. So the minus 5x, if I bring it across, will give me a plus 5x. I told you so. Something will change here and there. All right. There, don't have a t. When it comes over here, it becomes no t. Can? So the minus will actually becomes a plus sign. Who is left behind? Can you see that 15 is left behind? Right, so 15 is here. So you are supposed to gather all the number to the other side. So if you push the plus 3 across the equal sign, it becomes a minus 3. Something will change. And you work downwards. 15 minus 3 will give you a 12. 1x plus 5x will give you a 6x. Your objective is always to look for the 1x. How? Down here is like 6 monkey got 12 bananas. 1 monkey, you simply take 12 to divide by 6. And your answer will be 1 monkey will have 2 bananas. Is that okay? All right, just follow my rules of doing this, right? You will always get it right. And it's important, right? It's important you follow the steps. Can? Hello, Jiaqi, welcome. All right, yes, and we have Yuan, yes, Yuan is here. Celestine is here. Yep, all right. Most of you are here already, good job. All right, so for those who just came in, right, I'm doing something called here and there as a revision, right? Because some of the students here are new, just want to show them how to do it again. All right, and it's important, right? As I say, it's important. Right, so coming down the lessons, right, when there's more word problems, I will show you how this question or how this technique can be used in those questions. Come, let's take a look at B. Let's take a look at B. B, we have 15 minus 3x is equal to 5x plus 7. Ayah, who is heavier? Look at the x. Look at the x. Who is heavy? Look, this minus belongs to 3x. This 5x, there's nobody in front. Yes, there is a hidden plus. So what did I say about plus? Plus is like overweight. Plus is like overweight. That's like me. Just think of me. You all never see me in person before, right? Right? You only see my face, right? So actually you think that I'm not that big size, right? But actually I'm quite fat. Just to let you know. Right? Just to let you know I'm quite fat. Right? I'm quite overweight one. All right. So I'm close to 100 kg. I'm serious. All right. Yes, I am. All right. So if you see me on Orchard Road, I got this face, but the size big one, and that's me lah. All right. So I'm actually the overweight. So if I'm overweight, right, what do you do? If I'm overweight, what do you do? Don't move me. Don't move me. Look, I'm very heavy. Don't disturb me. All right. Don't try to move me. All right. Down here, minus 3x. All right. I think some of you are underweight, you know. Huh? Is it? Can you please try to eat more or not? Ping Ying. All right. Are you underweight? No, acceptable. Okay, good. All right. So some of you are, if you're underweight, right, I wish to pass you some of my fats, right? But it doesn't work this way, right? Right. Hey, y'all drink more milk, and grow taller and grow stronger. Can? So minus 3x, right? The minus is like underweight. You are supposed to bring it across to this side. All right, because you are supposed to gather all the x. All right, you're supposed to gather all the x. Celestine, are you okay? All right, children, if you have something to say, you can actually go to the chat and type. All right, go to the chat and type. I can see your messages. Right, I can see your messages. Okay, so minus 3x, bring across to the other side. Minus bring across will give you a plus. Right, minus will bring across to give you a plus 3x. And what did I say about the equal sign? What did I say about the equal sign? It's always in the center. It's always in the center. It's always in the center. You can write it out first. Can? All right, so you decided to gather all the x to the right-hand side down here. What is left? Oh, the numbers. You see the 15? The 15 is left over here. Okay? And you are supposed to gather the numbers, plus 7. Come across. Come over here. Right? Because the 7 is like a number, right? Plus 7 across the equal sign give you a minus 7. 15 minus 7 is a 8. 5x plus 3x. 5x plus 3x is a 8x. Remember your objective? Your objective is always to look for the 1x. So what do you do? All right. 8x equal to 8x equal to x. All right. X will be equal to, you can think of 8 divided by 8. All right. 8 divided by 8. That will give you a 1x is equal to 1. And that's your answer. All right. So children, this one you have to take note. Can you see that down here? Right. It's like 1 is equal to 1x. You must know that 1x is equal to 1. They are the same thing. Right? They are same. Right? They are same. Okay? Just like an example I give you, I know I very thick skin. Burn is equal to handsome. Woohoo! Right? Handsome is equal to burn. They balance. Right? They balance. All right. Okay, I know. I thick skin. All right. So they are the same thing. So x equal to 1, 1 equal to x. They are the same thing. All right. So you be confident. It's okay. All right. They represent the same thing. All right. So as you can see, the steps are the same. The steps are the same. Right. I always say the same things. So please know this. Know this. Can? Let's go to C and D. Right. I know that many of you who done the worksheet, right, you got it correct. So I'm trying to move a little bit faster. Then later there will be this extra question for you to practice a little bit more. Right? But try to understand, right? For those who don't understand. Right? C and D, C and D. Ready? C and D, Okay, come. Just follow my step. Follow. Focus on me. The question is 3x minus 2 is equal to 18 minus 1x. First thing, minus belongs to 1x. In front of the 3x is a plus. Who is heavier? Who is overweight? Overweight, don't move him. Don't disturb him. Equal sign, you can put it in the center first. Shinik, are you there? All right, Shinik, if you are there, can you please turn on your video? Thank you so much. All right, so 3x is heavier, don't move him. Minus 1x, bring across. Why? Because you want to gather all the x to one side. Gather them. So minus 1x coming across the equal sign will give you a plus 1x. Something will change. All right. Who is left over here? 18 is left over here. You're supposed to gather all the number to the other side. Minus 2 is the number. I want to push it across the equal sign. Minus 2 go across is a plus 2. 3x plus 1x is a 4x. 18 plus 2 is a 20. Work downwards. You're looking for 1x. 1x is equal to 20 divided by 4. You can write it as a fraction like that. All right. But that also means it is a what? It's a improper fraction. You can try to simplify it to give you a 5. That's the answer. Ding, 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 ding. All right. So another example already. I've done 3 examples, the same method. I want you to replicate this method to the next question. All right. The next question is coming up. So question D, let me just do it with you again, using the same method. Let me write out the question first. Is equal to 2x minus 1. All right. The minus belongs to 5x. The 2x in front, there is a hidden plus. Ask yourself, looking at the x, who is heavier? 2x is a plus, means it's overweight. Minus is a underweight. So overweight means 2x is heavier. If he's heavier, don't disturb him. Stop trying to push fat people like me around. All right. So 2x is heavier, don't move him. The equal sign is always in the center. Minus 5x you bring across, all right, to the right-hand side because you want to gather all the x. Minus 5x bring across will give you a plus 5x. Who is left over here? All right, 62 is left over here. So all the number you try to gather and put over this other side. Minus 1 you bring across the equal sign will give you a plus 1. You work downwards. 2 xylophone plus 5 xylophone is 7 xylophone. 62 plus 1 is 63. Your objective is always to look for 1x. 63 divided by 7 will actually give you 1x, which is equal to 9. 9 equal to 1x is the same as 1x is equal to 9. Burn equal to handsome. Handsome equal to burn. All right, so children, I've done 4 of these questions systematically. I want you to try. All right. Again, you don't have to use, again today, right, if you get some mistakes here and there, it's perfectly okay. Right, don't too stress about it. Right, don't be too stressed about it. Can? All right, so if you do it systematically, you will always get the right answer. I need all of you to try